Here we are with the third and final drone accessory giveaways for the DJI Mini 3 and the Mini 3 Pro to happen in the month of January 2023. Hi, I'm Geoff and welcome to Drones Plus Tech. So really quick, let's announce the winner from the second drone accessory giveaway. The winner is @Scott Smith. You are the winner, my friend. Congratulations for winning our second giveaway. Thank you for entering. Now on to the final drone accessory giveaway. Today, Thursday, January 26, 2023, until 11:59 p.m. Pacific Coast, Los Angeles time on Monday, January 30th, you can enter to win a set of DJI Branded ND Filters. That's right, these beauties are right here. The ND filters are a game changer. They're acting like a pair of sunglasses for your drone, giving you the edge on getting amazing photos and video out of your drone on even the brightest of days. In order to be entered to win the giveaway, you need to be subscribed to this channel, Geoff Brabec Drones Plus Tech, to like and share this video, and to leave a comment with the hashtag that will be given out at the end of this video. One winner will be drawn on Tuesday, January 31st, and posted on the community tab in this YouTube channel. So you must come back here to find out if you're the winner to this giveaway. Now please read the rules in the description below this video. Okay, it's time to give out the hashtag. You must comment on this video with hashtag JAN, J-A-N, 2023, DJI ND Filters giveaway. That's hashtag JAN 2023 DJI ND Filters giveaway. Now good luck to you all, and we'll see you on Tuesday, January 31st, 2023. Now if you want to stick around, I have a few more videos I think you might like.